Greetings, I'm Jannah. I'm half Moroccan and half New Mexican, and I'm currently training in Kung Fu martial arts. So I found Master Mfaume online looking for a Kung Fu training center, and he happened to be in Tanzania, so I made the journey to come and do some Kung Fu. Today's training was very subtle the first day, so it was nice and easeful. We did 5 movements which are required in Kung Fu, and I really do feel that practicing it, I just need to improve, obviously. But truly, it was an easeful day today. Not too much movement. We had a little meditation. I feel nice and calm now. I see that the children that he is training have a very deep understanding of the art. You can feel it, you can tell when they're doing their own practices, and yeah, I'm grateful to accompany them during this time and this day. So